Are you new to AliExpress and wondering how to add a shipping address? No worries, here's a simple step-by-step guide to get it done quickly. First, open the AliExpress app and log into your account. Tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your profile. At the top right corner of your profile page, you'll see a gear icon. Tap on it to open the settings menu. From here, find and select the shipping address option. On the shipping address page, you'll see any existing addresses or an empty list if you haven't added one yet. Scroll down and tap the Add New Address button. A form will appear where you can input your details. Enter your full name, street address, city, postal code, country, and phone number. Be sure to review all the information carefully to ensure accurate delivery. Once everything is filled out, tap Save, and your shipping address will be successfully added. And that's it. Now you're ready to shop on AliExpress with your new shipping address ready to go. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more similar tips, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update from us. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.